Away from that, to the ongoing doctor strike, where Health Cabinet Secretary Susan Nakhumicha has announced that the government has commenced the exercise of posting intern clinical officers to various facilities as the strike continues. Nakhumicha, who spoke in Murang'a County, says the exercise will cover all kinds of health professionals despite protests from Kmpdu over remuneration of intern doctors. The clinical officers have, however, issued a 7-day strike notice accusing the national and county governments for failing to keep their end of bargain, as Joyce Sitati reports.
The national government has begun the posting of the intern clinical officers amid this doctor strike that continues to rage. Health Cabinet Secretary Susan Nakhumicha has urged all intern clinical officers to pick up their letters at the ministry and gives an affirmation that this will extend to other cadres. This is despite the Kenya Medical Practitioners and Dentist Union Kmpdu rejecting remuneration proposals for intern doctors.
Began posting of the clinical officer in medicine interns. And this morning, on my way here, I noticed several queues at Ministry of Health. The clinical officer interns are picking their letters. And we are going to ensure that all other cadres pick their letters so that hii kelele ya interns tumalizane nayo for once and for all.
The CS who spoke in Murang'a struck a rather conciliatory tone, thanking doctors who have continued to serve patients while committing to finding a lasting solution to the ongoing strike.
I take this opportunity to thank the healthcare workers who have continued to offer services to Kenyans, even as we seek a lasting solution to these perennial problems.
Nakhumicha said the challenges facing the health sector in the country did not start with her tenure at Afya House.
Hizi shida hazikuanza na Nakhumicha. Hizi shida zimekuweko. So my determination is to solve them. Na sitaki kusolve ati temporary, ati tena kesho wakati mimi si waziri tusikie tena wamegoma. I want to solve it. Ili kwamba wakati mimi sitakuwa waziri hakuna intern tena atagoma. Yule atakuja nyuma yangu atapata kama nimenyorosha wizara.
Legislators who accompanied the CS faulted the striking doctors while accusing Kmpdu of failing to align their grievances accordingly.
Kmpdu, let the makers understand what they want and go to the real ministries and people and parliament, because we are the one who praise their money. But now, if they did not bring budget policy statement when we were working on it, they want us to employ staff, but there is no budget policy statement. They are presented to the budget committee. Where do we get the money?
The clinical officers, on the other hand, are set to join the doctor strike. The Kenya Union of Clinical Officers issued a 7-day strike notice accusing the national and county governments of failing to keep their end of the bargain.
The most unfortunate thing about this is that we have given the government enough time. We have tried diplomacy. We have followed the law. We have gone to the Ministry of Labor, we did conciliation, it failed because the government was not committed. We went to court, and even after they were summoned through an order of the court, they still refused to come to the table.
And as the tug of war between the government and Kmpdu continues, Kenyans are in pain seeking medical services, especially in referral facilities. Reporting for Tandao News Outlook at 1, I'm Joyce Sitati.